This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Paula Knight. Income producing workshop / storage / multi-use building, currently a small engine repair shop, plus another small garage style building is part of this property. The current lease expires December 31, 2022 or tenant has option of renewing the lease. Enter the home through enclosed porch on front of the home featuring many windows to enjoy morning coffee or afternoon treats. Newer windows throughout the home. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, living room, large pretty and spacious kitchen with many cabinets and drawers, even has a breakfast bar featuring storage drawers. Appliances include double oven, smooth cooktop, microwave, double sink and refrigerator. Step out of the kitchen into a step-down recreational / multi-use room. Exit this room to a 2-sided covered patio area on the back of the home. Shady backyard to enjoy also. This property offers many opportunities for you as a home.